get up on your feet. What you need to do is catch up with them. Bounce, man, get up on your feet and help me get it.
He is currently enjoying a sun-kissed getaway to the Caribbean island of Barbados, following his win for this year's X Factor series with British boy band Rak-Su.And Saturday proved no different for music mogul Simon Cowell and his girlfriend Lauren Silverman, as the pair flaunted their gym-honed physiques, while they took delight in a fun jet ski ride. The 58-year-old music mogul went confidently shirtless as he approached the personal watercraft, while his 40-year-old partner looked sensationally slender in her strapless navy swimsuit. Appearing triller than ever, the talent show mentor was dressed in faint pink shorts and a matching life vest as he walked along Barbados' Sunday shores. He wore silver-trimmed aviators which framed his oval-shaped face as he was seen with his American girlfriend, who looked stunning in a dark blue bathing suit, paired with a casual baseball cap and a gold-plated watch. The pair looked every inch the jet ski regulars as they confidently rode on the picturesque ocean. The Cowells have made the 4,000-mile trip to Barbados for the last few years to ring in Christmas and the New Year as a family. The media boss has owned a property on the eastern Caribbean island for a number of years, and often joins his family a few days later for the winter festivities. In 2013, it was revealed Simon had been in a relationship with his then best friend Andrew Silverman's wife Lauren, after pictures emerged of them kissing on a yacht. The pair then welcomed their son, a half-sibling for Lauren's eldest son Adam, 11, from her previous marriage in February 2014, and named him after Simon's late father, who died in 1999. While he is now closer than ever with his little boy, Simon confessed last year that he had struggled to form a bond with the tot after he first arrived. Yet, Simon later admitted to the Daily Star that the pair were now closer than ever, with Eric even confiding in him about his seemingly hectic love life. The producer joked to the paper, "I think he has my charm with the ladies. I asked him the other day how many girlfriends he's got, and I think he's got 5 currently, so he's doing okay."